Welcome to my Yummy Cooking Hyderabadi YouTube channel. Let's start our tasty video. 7 South Indian dishes that are perfect for breakfast. South Indian Breakfast Fiesta. Exploring culinary diversity. On your plate, discover the culinary wonders of South India with these 7 breakfast delights that promise a perfect blend of health and deliciousness. Move beyond the familiar parathas and chole bhature and delve into the rich flavors and textures that South Indian cuisine has to offer. From crispy dosas to hearty upmas, here are some iconic breakfast dishes that celebrate the diverse regional culinary traditions. South Indian Breakfast Fiesta. 7 South Indian dishes that are perfect for breakfast, exploring culinary diversity on your plate. If you found this useful, give our video a subscribe. 7 South Indian dishes that are perfect for breakfast. Idli Sambar Harmony. A steamed delight to kickstart your day. 1. Idli Sambar. Description: Idli, a steamed rice cake made with rava or suji and rice flour, is paired with piping hot sambar, a flavorful, spiced lentil soup loaded with veggies, accompanied by an array of chutneys. Idli Sambar is a light and nutritious start to your day. 7 South Indian dishes that are perfect for breakfast. Pongal, South India's savory porridge for comfort and flavor. 2. Pongal. Description: this comforting dish, made from rice and lentils, is South India's equivalent of savory porridge, seasoned with black pepper, cumin, and ghee. Pongal is garnished with cashews and served with tangy tamarind chutney for a wholesome and flavorful experience. 7 South Indian dishes that are perfect for breakfast. Dosa Extravaganza. Crispy pancakes and coconut chutney bliss. Dosa with coconut chutney. Description: a popular thin and crispy pancake made from fermented rice and urad dal butter. Dosa is a breakfast staple, served with a side of coconut chutney. It can be enjoyed plain or filled with its spiced potato filling for a more substantial and versatile meal. 7 South Indian dishes that are perfect for breakfast. Vada Symphony. A crispy donut dance with sambar and coconut chutney. 4. Vada with sambar and coconut chutney. Description: crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Vada is a deep-fried lentil donut that pairs exceptionally well with sambar and coconut chutney. The savory and spiced flavors of vada complement the tangy notes of sambar, creating a delightful breakfast ensemble. 7 South Indian dishes that are perfect for breakfast. Appam with stew serenade. A delicate breakfast symphony from Kerala. 5. Appam with stew. Description: hailing from Kerala, appam is a soft, lacy pancake made from fermented rice batter, paired with a mild and aromatic vegetable stew. Appam offers a delicate and flavorsome breakfast experience. The combination of slightly sweet appam and fragrant stew creates a culinary symphony on your plate. 7 South Indian dishes that are perfect for breakfast. Upma Perfection. A hearty semolina porridge infused with flavor. 6. Upma. Description: upma is a savory semolina porridge that combines roasted semolina with vegetables, mustard seeds, and curry leaves, seasoned to perfection and often garnished with cashews. Upma is a quick and hearty breakfast option that can be customized with various ingredients to suit individual preferences. 7 South Indian dishes that are perfect for breakfast. Akki Roti. Karnataka's culinary canvas of rice, veggies, and spices. 7. Akki Roti. Description: originating from Karnataka, Akki Roti is a flatbread made from rice flour, finely chopped vegetables, and spices. Cooked on a griddle, it is served with a dollop of ghee or coconut chutney, providing a wholesome and savory breakfast option that showcases the region's unique culinary influences. 7 South Indian dishes that are perfect for breakfast. Southern Sunrise Feast. A medley of idli sambar, pongal comfort, and dosa elegance. Embark on a breakfast journey with these 7 South Indian delights, where each dish is a celebration of flavors and a testament to the region's culinary expertise. If found this useful, give our video a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please check my other cooking videos from playlists. Bye for now. Keep watching, keep cooking. Thank you once again for your support.